Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how easily you can manage every single Xtrack even without the web portal but using the dedicated app Android and the sensor RV2020. With those tools you will be able to perform useful functions like activate and deactivate alarm switches, set the distance between antenna and the Xtrack, select the right antenna and associate product to the sensors. First thing to do is to tell the app which one is the Xtrack we are going to work with, and we can do it by keying in the serial number. We can feed this data manually, and we're going to see it in a minute, or we can fetch it by laying the Xtrack on top of the sensor RV2020. Once it is positioned, we need to move it slightly to allow the internal components to start broadcasting the ID. As you can see, the app has picked up the ID number. Now we're going to see how we can do the same thing but doing it manually. First of all, we press onto the man button. We can key in our ID of the Xtrack, and once we have finished, we press the OK button that is positioned on the right hand side of the ID area. Next thing to do would be to press connect device. To recap, we have to press first the man button, then we key in the number, and then we have to press connect device. We're now going to see how to change the settings on the track. Tapping on request track, the app will read the settings of this specific device. As you can see, the default alarm move away is set. The track we're working on is not activated. You can tell looking at the control panel by the access denied sign. So to activate the track, we just need to press the button activate deactivate. In this case, the track is on. You can tell by refreshing your web page, pressing F5 on the keyboard. We can change the settings on the device, activating and deactivating the sensors, and set track to confirm it. F5 to refresh, and now the tamper has been enabled. Now we're going to work on the distance between the track and the antenna. The red bar indicates the power of the antenna, so we can lower it, we can set track, and now you can see that on the control panel the set has changed onto 136 from 151. We can select the list of antennas simply tapping onto the antenna button, and then we choose the one we need and we can save it. The infographic will show you which are the parts of the app and what are related to. The green side is onto the alarm switches, the red to set the distance between tracker and antenna, and then the blue one to select the antenna. Remember, every time you do a change, you have to save. Okay, we're almost there. The last thing we're going to see is how to associate product to the trackers. We already have a product in our database. What we use as reference is the EAN code. This is a European article number, which is an European number. In this case, we key in the number manually, as it is just a test sample. Our ID code would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we tap on Add Product Code. To save the change, we press to associate on the application. Press our usual F5 to refresh the screen, and you can see that the product now is associated to the tracker. If we have a EAN code with the barcode, we can just simply read the barcode by pressing read EAN product, and then we tap on to add product code. Last thing to do is to associate the product or disassociate the product in case we need to unbound it. Well, this tutorial is finished. We have covered most of the topics requested. In case you have any further doubts, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much for listening.